car. Place your loose items in the bin across your seat. We don't want any distractions out there.
All right, Ricky. Warm up your tires. Bring us home that trophy. Front stretch, push. That's all you've got.
Put your hands in the air if you're ready for lap 2.
Go flat out down to turn 1.
Congratulations, Ricky. That's a V1. Fantastic. Your car stops in the pits. Take the car carefully, grab your gear, and go celebrate.